Hello friends, in my last tutorial I told you that I will teach you how to install Apache server and PHP in your computer. So to do that you have to first install WAMP server in your computer. WAMP stands for Windows, Apache, MySQL and PHP. So it's like a setup. All three combinations will be installed automatically by that setup, so it will be easy for you. So WAMP means Windows, Apache, MySQL, PHP. That means that particular setup is created for Windows platform. So if you are a Windows user, I think it's better if you can go for a WAMP server. So go to Google and just type WAMP like that and open it. From here you will see a button like this, start using WAMP server. When you click on that, you will see there are some versions available here: 64-bit version to 32-bit version and so on. So what I'm going to be installed here is WAMP server 64-bit PHP 5.3 version. Because my computer operating system is a 64-bit operating system, that's why I'm gonna download this, or you can download this one also. This has a newer PHP version like that, and they will give some warnings before installing. You have to fulfill these requirements before installing. So I am sure that I have installed all these things, C++ 2010 and all those stuff. So I will directly go to this download link like this. Then you will see here so like that you have to start download it. So I have already downloaded the setup, so I cancelled it. So after downloading the setup, you will see a setup file like this. You just have to double click the setup and follow the instructions as given. There are a lot of YouTube tutorials on how to install this WAMP server. It's a very simple process, so I'm not gonna teach you how to go through the setup, because I have already installed the WAMP server in this computer, so I will skip that part. But if you really need a tutorial on how to install, I will make a video and publish. So after installing WAMP server, you will see after installing WAMP server you will see icon here on desktop like this. So maybe you can search from here and click start WAMP server, then it will be started. So here my WAMP server is shown in there. So when I click there, you can see restart all services, stop all services, start all services. So these are the initialize files for MySQL, PHP and Apache, and this is your local host. So when you want to start working with Apache server, you just have to click here. Now here it is indicated as put offline, but when you are offline it will indicate as put online. So when you click here put online, the Apache server will start working, and if your server is working correctly, you will see here a green color mark. That means your server is ready and server is online. So in that case, if you type here localhost, you will get a window like this, the Apache web server. If you get something somewhat like error message or different kind of web server appeared, that means your server is not working correctly. So in my case, when I first installed this WAMP server, it didn't work correctly because I have already installed IIS server in my Windows computer. So what I did is I disabled that IIS server from my computer. You can do it by going here, control panel, administrative tools, and from here Internet Information Services Manager. Double click on it, and you will see here manage server, restart, stop. But in my case now I am running both servers. But if your server is not working, you can stop this IIS server, and you can restart all services, and try to put online your Apache server after stopping the IIS server. Then it might work. But in my case now both are working, but Apache server is working currently as the local host. So after completely installing your Apache server, and when you see it is appearing online, that means you can do PHP coding and run on Apache server. So we'll see how to put PHP files into Apache server and make it run. First you have to go where you have installed WAMP. So I have installed WAMP in C drive. Here WAMP, I think it's better to install in C drive, so you can double click on it, and there is a folder called www. So that's where we have to put our PHP files which we want to run. So I'll do an example to show you. So I will create a simple PHP program like this. Like this, and when you are saving, we have to save it in the Apache servers default folder that I have shown you that in that C drive WAMP folder, www folder. We will tell it test.php, and you have to give the save type as all files, and that's my file name. You have to give the extension also .php, and then click save. So after that you can run it on your web server, localhost. When I type this localhost, it means it is referring the things available in the www folder. So I have created a PHP file named test.php. so if I want to run it, I just have to type that name with the extension and enter. So there you will see my PHP code is running. Hello, welcome to Chamila Ratnayaka's tutorials. So those are the very basics. In my next tutorial I will teach you in details about PHP coding, and that will be the start for PHP coding. Thanks for watching my video.